Do you want to learn website designing? And are you confused that from where to begin? Then go ahead, because I'm gonna teach you everything as simple as ABC. Hi viewers, this is Shehbaz Wasim. In this video I'm gonna teach you from very beginning. So let's start from HTML. But before starting HTML, it requires some introduction. The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language, where hypertext is a text which contains links to other text. Where if we sum up the meaning of markup languages are just a tag-based language. HTML elements are represented by tags. Browser do not display the HTML tags, but use them to render the content of the page. So now you are in the driving seat to start HTML practical work. For doing the practical of HTML, let's open the notepad. Let's start from writing doctype. Bracket open, exclamation mark, doctype, bracket close. Writing doctype represents the document type and helps web browser to display web pages correctly. It must appear once at the top of the page before any HTML tags. The doctype declaration is not a case sensitive, which means that you can also write this in small or capital letters. Guys, when we write anything in this bracket, then this is called a tag. Then write HTML tag. HTML tag element is the root element of an HTML page, which holds the whole HTML page. In any tag-based language, if you open any tag, you have to close it, like that. Then open head tag and close there. And head is up there where you usually write your site title. Then open the tag of title and close it inside the head. And title is the name of a head where you can write your desired title. Then open the tag of body and then close it. Body tag contains all the visible page content. It will be visible in your page, whatever you write inside the body tag. Open the h1 tag and close it. h1 is a large heading tag. There are 6 heading tags. Include h1, h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6. H1 shows the largest heading tag and h2 is smaller than h1, h3 is smaller than h2, h4 is smaller than h3, h5 is smaller than h4 and h6 is smaller than h5. Then open the tag of p and close it. P tag is a tag which means paragraph, where you can write your paragraph inside that tag. Now let's execute this and check our page. Now we have to save this file by going to save as. You can write any desired name by just changing its type from txt to HTML. Now open the file. Let's see. Now our page executed successfully, where you can see title name, your heading, your paragraph. So congrats, you guys step in website designing. For more, do follow my upcoming videos by subscribing my channel and hit the bell icon so you're never gonna miss any updates.